guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we are going to be doing another Get It Done With Me video. I have been needing to get a lot of things done lately as we gear up for a new homeschooling year and traveling and wanting to make sure that all of my household projects are done, just like little organization things. So that's why I've been kind of making a Get It Done With Me video every week or every couple of weeks, posting them. So if you guys enjoy motivation and Get It Done With Me, give me a thumbs up for this video. I want to thank today's video sponsor. It is HelloFresh, and I cannot wait to see what delicious meals are arriving on my doorstep today. Perfectly timed for when we're going out of town, because when we get HelloFresh, we end up using all of the ingredients and I don't have things left over. I don't have leftovers, so I'm not wasting food. So I love that about getting a HelloFresh box right before we travel. So I can't wait to see what's in there later. And of course, I have a great offer code to share with you guys from them, which I will tell you more about here in a second. But we are gonna be getting it done. I'm dressed in my workout clothes, as you guys can see. I am working out, weightlifting in the garage, and so during the summertime, if I'm gonna make that happen, it needs to be in the earlier morning hours while it's still like in the 90s. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go out there right after I finish filming this intro and start knocking things out. But let me show you what is on my to-do list today. Here is today's to-do list. So I have make a post on Instagram. I need to email the person that I'm posting for. I need to get my workout done. I need to bookmark Florida workouts in my iPhone. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to bring weights with us, and so it's only gonna be like body weight stuff, so I wanna take a look and kind of figure out what we're gonna do there. I need to make a final choice on math for my kids. I talked about this on Instagram, but I've kind of changed up my thought process on some things, so I need to go ahead and do that. I need to go to the bank. All day I will be washing the kids' linens, all of their bed sheets. They've stripped all their beds already, so just gonna need to continue to wash those. That'll be an all-day project with 4 different beds. Someone's gonna laugh at me for this right here, making a Christmas list. Now, that is not my Christmas list, but I do like to have a list of everyone that we plan on buying for. It is basically the middle, end of August as you guys are seeing this. So September, October, November, and I do not like to shop in December. So that leaves me like 3 months. So that's something I need to do. I need to make our menu and grocery list for when we come back from Florida. I need to take my daughter to soccer practice. I need to also make our Florida menu plan and grocery list for when we get there. We're staying in a beach house, so we will be going to the grocery store. I need to go to Hobby Lobby. We are out of a lot of our paper that we use for painting and watercoloring, so I need to restock that before the school year. And then I may make a quick stop into Costco. We're out of just a couple of things, so it's kind of in the same area, so I might do that. That one I'm not 100% sure on. But that is what my day is looking like today. So go ahead and make your to-do list with me and get some things done. Let me know how you guys are doing, getting prepared for a new school year, or if you've already started. I always get this like urge. It's almost like nesting when you're in pregnancy before a homeschool year to like feel like I've got everything planned out, hence the Christmas list making. But yeah, it just helps me to not feel overwhelmed in my mind. I've been doing this for a while, and so I know what helps me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and knock this list out today, and I hope you guys enjoy getting it done. Like I mentioned, today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh, and if you guys watch my channel often, you know that we love getting HelloFresh. I love them for so many reasons, but mostly just the convenience and the time saving that it gives me. Like I said, when we're going out of town, a lot of times you have to clean out your refrigerator, and I will have too many groceries in there where I will end up having to waste things. So I love that I was able to incorporate HelloFresh into my weekly meal plan before we go out of town. That way, when I cook dinner, I'm just making just enough for what we have, and we're not gonna be wasting food. The other awesome thing about HelloFresh, if you guys have never tried it, is that all of the ingredients, including spices, seasoning, fresh produce, meat, depending on the plan that you get, everything comes to you packaged super cold and fresh so that you know, your meat is kept separate from your produce and different things like that. They do have 3 plans to choose from: the family plan, the vegetarian plan, and then there's like a low calorie option. I've tried all of them just because I like variety and never had a meal we didn't love from HelloFresh. This box, I did select the family 4-person plan, and that is enough for our family because my younger 2 kids don't eat an adult serving of food. So like I said, we have just enough for the meal for my family of 6. So if you guys want to check out HelloFresh, I will put a coupon code right here for you guys. It is Grace14, and you guys can get 14 free meals across 5 boxes of HelloFresh. It's a really, really great offer that will carry you into the holiday season when things are going to be getting busy and you might want to have some easy dinners on hand, back to school, sports, all that stuff picking back up. It's a great time to try HelloFresh if you never have. So all of that information will be down below for you guys, so be sure to check them out. And thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, HelloFresh.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in
Okay, so little update. I finished my workout, hence my crazy hair. But this, I always get asked by you guys how I go so long with washing, like in between washing my hair. And this is how. The high ponytail is key because then it doesn't get sweat on your hair. So if you work out in a hot place, then put your hair up as high as you can get it, and that will help you. But I will say I don't live where there's humidity, and when there has been humidity, I haven't, like my whole head is soaked. So there's only so much avoiding you can do. But I finished working out. I bookmarked the workouts for Florida. So when I get back, I'll have a bunch of things to check off my list. But I'm heading out now to run those errands. Because whenever I have errands to do, I like to just do them all at one time. So we're gonna go out and run a couple of errands, and then I will come back and update my to-do list with a few check marks of getting things done. So we have quite a few things to check off on the to-do list. I bookmarked all my workouts. You guys saw that. I went to the bank, one of my errands. I went to Hobby Lobby. And the rest of the stuff is pretty much gonna be here at the house. So I got all my things done. I did end up going to Costco, so let's just put there for satisfaction too. So I'll show you guys what I grabbed, and then I'm going to finish up my to-do list today. So the things that I grabbed at Costco were toilet paper. They had leggings on sale, so my oldest daughter got a black pair and then this army green colored pair, so those were a good find. Now, this was funny because I saw these pillows at Costco twice over, and I passed them up the last 2 times, and then I couldn't stop thinking about how I wanted to get them. So I finally just got them today while I was there. I grabbed some Kodiak cakes for my family, and then I'm getting rid of all of our plastic Tupperware, so I got this glass set. And then we needed some more taco seasoning. This is the one that I love. We needed some organic maple syrup, and then I got Jake, he has a Keurig in his office at work, and so I got him the organic breakfast blend from Costco. So that's everything I got at Costco, and then we headed over to Hobby Lobby. I got what I went for, but I also, of course, had to get some other things. Now that they don't do coupons at Hobby Lobby, it's like if you see something on sale when you're there and you don't want to wait until it's really picked over, my advice, grab it. So this is what I went for. I needed to get the kids a mixed media pad for all of the different art forms that they do with their The Good and the Beautiful, language arts. So this is good for mixed media, is good for watercolor, pastels, sketching, really any kind of art. Normally I buy the pads and have they just tear out a page, but this year I asked them if they would prefer to just keep all of their things in a bound book like this. So this is what I got for them. These were $10 each, so it was a little expensive, but they'll be able to have them all school year and probably beyond, because I don't think they're going to do that many art projects. I got some tracing paper. We needed that. And then I did also grab just one additional premium watercolor pad. I really like this paper that Hobby Lobby has. Now, that's what I went for. And this is, I mean, I was going to need to get this anyway because I am hosting Friendsgiving this year. And I wanted to do a themed table. Because I just love Thanksgiving and I love fall and I love having my friends over. So I got, as you can tell, the theme is like black and white. So I started to gather up some things for that. So I figure I'll put this in the centerpiece. I got these white candles to put some beeswax candles in. I got this vinyl tablecloth for the kids' table since it is wipeable. I got these black and white paper napkins for like dessert. I did get actual napkin rings. They all say something different on them. And then I got these napkins right here to put in those. And then I got these plastic black and white plates. I didn't want to do paper for like the main meal. These are plastic, so it's not really too much of a step up, but a little bit. I got this fall sweet fall sign. Then I also got black and white pumpkins to do like a little tablescape with. So that's what I grabbed there. And then for the, and then I also got this table runner to put down the center. All of this stuff I'll reuse again, so it's not like I just bought it for this particular thing. I mean, I'll reuse these in the future. I got these for the kids' table, little fall craft glasses, and then I also got these Thanksgiving placemats for them to have on the kids' table. And then I saw this, I don't know how you would describe this. I think you're supposed to decorate this or something, but I really love the simplicity of just that wire brown like look. So I think I'm just gonna keep it as it is. But all of the fall stuff was 40% off, and like I said, Hobby Lobby doesn't do coupons anymore, which is the saddest news ever. So I wanted to get it just because with going back to school, by the time I go to Hobby Lobby again, it'll probably be September, October, when everyone is really thinking fall, and then there'll be a lot less things to choose from. So this is my little Hobby Lobby fall haul, and then the things I got from Costco. Florida food and menu plan is ready to go. So when we go to the grocery store there, we've got that all planned out. I always count out how many breakfasts and how many lunches we're gonna be making to make sure I get the right amount of stuff. So we only have to go to the grocery store probably one time. Then I went ahead and made the grocery list that I will place my order for pickup for the day we get back from the airport. There is the menu for that week. egg roll bowls, spaghetti, chicken noodle soup, chicken and asparagus, barbecue chicken tostadas, and homemade ramen noodles. Super easy week there because, yeah, coming back from trips and jet lag and all that good stuff. So got that all done. So the last night we're on vacation, I will, before I go to bed, I'll place a grocery pickup order for the next day for home. That way we have groceries when we arrive. So now it is time to check off the to-do list here. So I did the Florida meals. I made the menu and the list for when we get back. I paid and signed up for math. And so still have washing, kids' linen. That's an all-day process, but I did switch the loads. Soccer practices later tonight. So next up, I am going to work on making the Christmas list. That I put in my phone for obvious reasons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna list out everyone we buy for. That way, if I'm out and about and I come across a good gift idea, I can look at my list and also keep track of how much I spend that way. So although you see I have like a pad here, a pad here, a pad here, and a planner here, I love all the paper. This will be a list I actually put in my phone and I will show you when I am done.
Where you go is where I go.
Tonight we went with the chicken over garlic Parmesan spaghetti. So that is what we've got going on. My kids don't like the roasted tomatoes, so I just saved those for Jake and I. But it's just pasta and chicken, and then you make a sauce that looks really, really good. A lot of you guys know that I'm gluten and dairy free, so I did make some modifications for myself here to eat along the same lines. But here we have the chicken over Parmesan spaghetti for dinner tonight. That's gonna be it for this Get It Done video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting things done with me. I was able to check off everything off my list. We had a delicious dinner from HelloFresh, so that was super nice after being busy and gone a lot of the day. So be sure to check out the offer and the coupon code GRACE14 to save for HelloFresh for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up before you go. It's a free way to support my channel and I really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes.